Vercel versus Netlify versus Heroku versus Firebase. Best cloud service provider for you. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Vercel, Netlify, Heroku, and Firebase. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Vercel is a cloud platform designed for front-end developers, especially for hosting static sites and serverless functions. It is optimized for frameworks like Next.js and offers automatic deployments, fast edge networks, and seamless Git integrations. Vercel is great for high-performance web applications but has limited backend capabilities, making it less suitable for full-stack projects requiring complex databases or background processing. Netlify, on the other hand, is another platform focused on deploying web applications with strong automation and SICT features. It provides instant rollbacks, split testing, and easy integration with Jamstack applications. Like Vercel, it excels in front-end hosting but lacks advanced backend support for dynamic applications. Heroku is a cloud platform designed for full-stack applications, supporting multiple programming languages like Node.js, Python, and Ruby. It provides built-in database hosting, background jobs, and easy scalability. However, Heroku is more expensive compared to Vercel and Netlify, and its free tier has become more limited over time. Firebase is a backend as a service platform by Google, offering real-time databases, authentication, cloud functions, and hosting services. It is ideal for mobile and web applications requiring real-time data syncing and seamless integration with Google's ecosystem. However, Firebase has limitations in terms of SQL-based database support and may become costly as the project scales. So that's basically the main differences between Vercel, Netlify, Heroku, and Firebase, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.